In today's video, I'm going to share with you the reason why I decided to move to Dubai. Before we begin, show a reel. Welcome back. This is Amy Lin. I am a wealth mindset coach. Welcome to my channel. I am currently tuning in from the beautiful place of Dubai. Let me just show you. As you can see, there's a sand. It's typical Dubai weather. And the reason why I wanted to make this video is because recently I've just moved from California to Dubai, and a lot of people have been asking me, why, Amy? Why did you decide to move to Dubai? So I thought I will make a video and share with you the reasons why I decided to move to Dubai. It's very interesting. When I first moved here, or before I even moved here, a lot of people will ask me, the reason why you're moving to Dubai, is it because number one, did you find a rich husband? And I said, no, not yet. That's not the reason why I'm moving. Or people will ask me, the second reason is, oh, are you moving for a job? Is that why you're moving? And I said, no. The reason why I'm moving is simply because I wanted to. And this goes back to a year ago. So I want to share with you a quick story. So for a few years, I've actually wanted to move to Barcelona in Spain. That was always been my vision board. And I actually went to Barcelona and I went to an apartment shop. And it's very interesting, right? When you have a plan, but universe has a better plan for you. So I actually went apartment shopping and I actually put down a deposit on an apartment that I liked. And I thought everything was secure. The landlord was about to accept my contract. And then at the very last minute, the landlord decided to pull out and decided to accept someone else's contract. So because knowing how things work, I was not so upset. In my mind, I just knew that, okay, that just means that something better is gonna come along. And then sure enough, a few months later, I came to Dubai for the very first time. I actually got here, I was invited to come here to speak. And after visiting Dubai, I was here for 10 days and I felt such a pull towards Dubai, and I didn't even know why. And even at the time, after going back from Dubai to the US, I was about to move to Barcelona. Like I sold everything, I gave back my apartment, I sold my car, I was ready to move. But after I got back from Dubai, I found myself confused. I felt like part of me, like the head wanted to move to Barcelona because I've been wanting to move to Barcelona for a few years. But the heart was telling me something different. I felt a pull towards Dubai and I had absolutely no idea why. So what I did was that I asked. So I asked the universe, show me a sign. I was open, I wanted to surrender. And I asked the universe, show me a sign to tell me which way I should go. Okay, whether should I move to Barcelona or should I move to Dubai. Okay. And here's another story that I wanted to share with you. That I had to make a decision. Okay, and this is the thing that most people are not aware, is that a lot of people procrastinate on making decisions because in their mind, they're not sure if the decisions they're gonna make is gonna be the right decision. The truth is, there's no such thing as the right decision. There's only decision and indecision, because it doesn't matter what decision you make. You just once you make the decision, you'll make the decision right. Okay? And I actually did a video on the power of decision that you can watch it right here. Okay? Because once you make a decision, universe will conspire to help you. But universe cannot conspire to help you before you make that decision. Okay? And I knew this concept because obviously this is what I teach my clients. So I know how to apply it in my life. So I knew that I had to make a decision, whether it's Barcelona or Dubai. So it took me actually 1 month to really decide. So what I did, going back to how I made this decision, I asked the universe. I said, universe, show me signs to tell me where should my next steps go. Right? I'm open. I'm here. I'm listening. And sure enough, within that same month, very interesting. Okay? So it did not happen by accident. Okay? Nothing happens by accident. Everything happens by synchronicity. Okay? So in that 1 month, I so happened to saw 3 signs that popped up. Dubai, Dubai, Dubai. 3 different separate situations and different people that I met all came up to Dubai. So I knew that was a sign from the universe to tell me that my next step is to Dubai. So I made the decision within the same month that I wanted to move to Dubai. So here's the lesson that I wanted to share with you is that you don't know if the decision is right or wrong. And like I said earlier, there is no right or wrong decision. There's just decision or indecision. You just have to make that decision and take that leap of faith. Right? That's what I did. A year ago, literally a year ago, after I decided to move to Dubai, and here I am. And I was open to listen to universe's guidance. I surrendered, right? But I listened to how I felt because I felt a pull to come here. So the truth is, I actually don't know why I'm here in Dubai. I don't, right? But I made that decision not because of any outside circumstances, situations that, someone wanted me to be here. But actually I decided because I just wanted to move here. So I would like to challenge you. For you, what kind of life do you want to create? What kind of life do you want to live for yourself? Okay? Not because of your parents want you to do this, your husband, your wife, your work, your boss. Okay? How would you feel if you're able to live the life you want to just because that's what you want? Okay? And I want to share another, just a quick story. It did not happen by accident. Okay? A lot of people will say, oh yeah, Amy, you're so lucky that you get to live your dream life in Dubai. No. Okay? It did not happen by accident. I decided that I wanted to have location freedom 4 years ago. Okay? 4 years ago. Some of you know my story. If you're new to my channel, you've never seen me speak, you might not know my story. But 4 years ago, before I became a wealth mindset coach, I was actually in real estate. I was working in real estate in Southern California in the States. But I made a decision that I wanted to move abroad. I've always wanted to move somewhere else. I was wanting to go to Barcelona, which is in Europe, right? But location freedom was always on my mind, right? So it did not happen by accident. I made a decision 4 years ago to make this happen, right? But during that, I became flexible on the location that I was moving to. And here I am. After 1 year after visiting Dubai, I moved here because I wanted to. So if you're new to my channel and you haven't already, make sure you ring the subscribe button and then turn on the notification, because in this channel, I'm going to be sharing with you mindset hacks and manifestation tips that will help you to manifest more wealth and abundance this year. Also, if you haven't done it already, if you can give a like and also comment below, where are you tuning in from? I would love to hear where you're tuning from, and if anything that what I share with you that you learn, please make sure to comment below. I would love to hear from you. With that, thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.